Aquarius is your season. Happy birthday, my name is Elena, and we're gonna do your forecast reading for 2020. So many cards, okay. 2022, sorry, the magician was upright. And I'm gonna split this reading in 4 quarters. The first quarter is January, February, March. I know I'm late with the readings, but it's for entire year, our general information. The world month of January is a completion, is something and a life of cycle and something stay to begin. The month of February with the Knight of Cups, either you open up emotionally, either you're gonna make an offer or you receive an offer. However, it's a good news conversation from emotional area space. Okay, we have the Death and the Chariot. Something is finished with the world as well, and the Chariot go in full speed. Something will happen in full speed in the month of March with the Chariot. Either you buy a car, either you take lead of your life and go towards success with the Magician as well. We have so many major arcana. The Magician is your power to manifest something after this huge completion into your life. It's like you graduated with big success, something here. And definitely whatever come into your life with the Knight of Cups in the month of February, you're going to transform you and your life for better, for good. We have the Death, the huge transformation you go through. You become different version. You are totally different Aquarius right now. Right now, I mean right now, end of this quarter. But the month of March, we're gonna bring you in the time of manifestation, and we start April with the Hermit. You're gonna take a pause. You're gonna disconnect from outer world to understand what you want, what your soul wants, what are your dreams. And with the Chariot, you're gonna come really fast into your life. Ace of Pentacles and yes, Ace of Cups. 2 new beginnings, new offers from the universe, maybe winning money, a prize, a lotto, a jackpot, but is an offer from universe. A prize of money, can be a business, can be a new beginning, long-term commitment with Ace of Cups in the love area, in emotional area, something you like to do. And we have the overall energy, the Hierophant. Become wiser, huge wake-up call, maybe even a healer as well. Maybe you become so wise that people come to you and you give them advice and all this. However, we have 2 beautiful new beginnings, offered from the universe, offered in the money area, in long-term commitment, and in emotional area. And we start July with the Star, the 3rd quarter, hoping again, rejuvenating, recovering from difficult times, but something is destined to be. The Chariot, once again, we have a lot of movement here, fast movement. You manifest, you again do it, again you have soul search, again things happen into your life, you manifest quickly. This Ace of Pentacles, this Ace of Cups, the Star, wow, and the Four of Wands. Celebration, reunion, weddings, parties. However, is a harmonious home, creativity, feeling good and stable in your home environment. Wow, wow, wow. Or someone come really fast in the month of August into your house, and you're gonna celebrate. Either you're gonna travel to celebrate something in the month of September. The overall energy is the strength and the justice for this quarter of the year, and the strength is your inner power, being courageous to do something, become powerful in kind of area. The justice are karmic lesson, and not only karmic lessons. I feel with this, either some of you gonna win something in the court, or the justice is gain back into your life, stability, balance, clarity, and good karma, let's say. Good karma, the strength and the justice. It's something here about your power to clean something up, to make balance, to make clear, to regain that balance into your life, to learn the lessons. With the Star, the Chariot, Four of Wands, maybe you dream someone to come here, or someone who's going to travel for you, or you're going to travel for someone to, can be wedding, can be your wedding, can be a party, can be celebration, but you restore the balance and the power into your life. What is the most I can see? Let's see how you end this year. And we have the Hanged Man. What I like in your reading, you have part of posing and create and manifesting. Something happen really quickly, and again waiting, and again thinking on what you want. Again things happen really quickly. Again with the Hermit, with the World, with the Magician, you manifest, and after the Chariot, everything comes fast into your life. I mean, you really tap in the Magician power. Whatever you want, I think you can create instantly, like this. Because you understand something, you understand, you had a wake-up call, huge one, with the Hierophant and the Hermit. You become wiser, and you know how to use the life forces now to manifest whatever you want, because you take a pause and everything manifests. You take a pause and everything manifests into your life. In October as well, you start with the Hangman. You pause again, and let's see what's coming. Seven of Pentacles. Your hard work will be paid. A little bit patient more. However, you change the perspective of life many times this year. And then we have Three of Cups and Five of Cups. Okay. And the Ten of Swords, bottom of the deck. Okay, I'm gonna take it. It's something here about third-party situation, about be dissatisfied emotionally with Five of Cups, and you reflected and thinking. We have the Hangman and Seven of Pentacles, which is a reflection of where you put your work, your energy, your resources, and everything. And we have the Hanging Cat again. Twice in this quart, the last quart of the year, with Ten of Swords, bottom of the deck. then yeah, you close another chapter of your life. Something you've changed the perspective of life totally. You see the life from different lenses. Use your past experience to enjoy some seeds, something flourish here. But however, we have 3 of Cups and 5 of Cups. Here is either third party situation, is a third party definitely. Something can happen this year in May, we're going to affect you in the month of December, but keep in mind, don't stay and focus on negativity or on what you don't have, because there are many things around to you. I want to understand why is the 3 of Cups and 5 of Cups here. The Hierophant once again. Maybe you can deal with Taurus. If not, you're gonna have good advices. We have 2 5s. You learn something huge at this time. You learn, and you wake up spirituality in spiritual way. And most of this is about where you invest your everything, your money, your resources, and your time, because you don't want anymore be dissatisfied or sad or unhappy. Tell me more about this Hierophant. The Tower. Oh my God. Huge surprise in the month of December for you. Huge surprise, take you unprepared, but definitely we're gonna be for you. Why is the Tower here? The Knight of Wands. An offer. Someone really feel passionate about you. Something taking you by surprise here with this Tower moment. I do feel like it's not going to be nothing negative. It's something about your passion, about your inspirations. If someone here have feel really attractive to you and maybe come in this way into your life, it might be. And Queen of Swords, this is you. This is you, like cold heart. Someone have passion, a lot of passion for you, and you are cold heart. Aquarius, a decision is need to be made here. A decision of open up again, feel emotional, feel expose your emotion, acting fiery. King of Cups, a lot of love is in here, but someone feel unfulfilled. Someone feel unfulfilled. That's why you need to thinking on that. If this is the truth of love or connection or whatever you put your energy and work, because you have time to reflect. Did I invest well? Did I have to cut my losses there? Did I did well? But the Seven of Pentacles is a card of, yes, you did well. Just a little bit more time for the fruit come out, for your hard work to be paid. But definitely we're gonna be a lot of news, sweet words between you and someone hold a lot of emotion and attraction with this person. Be open up to speak, because I can see this is your energy and you are really cold heart. Maybe that's why all these emotions and love you feel like now I go there, I've been broken heart, I don't want to think, but we're gonna come like a tsunami into your life. We're gonna come like a tsunami into your life, my beautiful Aquarius. And this is for you, for the better, because you have the star there. Maybe this Hierophant is someone someone really impact your life. Someone really impacted your life. But good news, we have love here. And I don't know if you are ready to take it, because I do feel whenever come this offers into your life, you feel to pause and thinking on that. And to see from all angles if it's good for you to invest in there or not. Aquarius, this is interesting. I hope you enjoyed this reading. Let me know in the comments, share, like, subscribe. I love all of them. And see you in the next one. Bye, Aquarius.